Welcome to Isla Academy, innovation earning at your fingertip. Today we're going to learn Arabic, 10 different Arabic food names with beautiful pronunciation. And don't worry about you have no idea and never read like Arabic. Arabic word are really hard for you, but let's do it. Almond. It is really favorite food for everyone. Almond, we can call this simply loose. Almond, loose, almond, loose. Make sure it is loose. If you anytime you're going to eat almond, let's cheer with loose. Almond, loose. Secondly, apple. Apple are really popular food. You can buy anytime you want. Apple is simply tafaha. Apple tafaha. Apple tafaha. Apple tafaha. Apple tafaha. Avocado. This is similarly, but there a simple keyword called fa. It's actually changed here, so we can call this avocado is avocado. Avocado. Blueberry. Tutavri. Blueberry. Tutavri. Blueberry, tutavri. Blueberry, tutavri. Carrot. Carrot are really available food actually. Carrot, zuzra. Carrot, zuzra. Carrot, zuzra. Fig, teina. Fig, teina. Fig, teina. Fig, teina. Jackfruit, alcacalia. Jackfruit, alcacalia. We can call this alcacalia. A simple keyword like so actually. Alcacalia. It's really complicated for beginner, but it's really beautiful to learning Arabic. Jackfruit alcacalia. Remember, jackfruit alcacalia. Lemon, lemon. Not big deal. Lemon, 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 lemon. Like lump. Lychee, 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 lychee. Mango, a mango, mango, mango. It's like a pronounced like man, tango. Our English are really easy. Mango. Arabic are really awesome. Mango. Secondly, nut, invandaco, nut, invandaco, nut. Invandaco, nut, invandaco. Peach, kuhun, peach, kuhun, peach, kuhun, peach, kuhun. Let's do it again. Let's try to read those things again to learning better way. So let's do it. Okay, let's start it. Almond, loose, almond, loose. Apple, tafaha, apple, tafaha. Avocado, 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 avocado. Blueberry, tutavri, blueberry, tutavri. Carrot, zuzra, carrot, zuzra, carrot, zuzra. And fig, teina, fig, teina, fig, teina. Jackfruit, alcacalia, jackfruit, alcacalia. Lemon, 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 lemon. Lychee, 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 lychee. Mango, 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 mango. And nut, invandaco, nut, invandaco. And peach, kuhun, peach, kuhun, peach, kuhun. So thank you for watching. If you like us, please stay with us. And thank you for support Isla Academy innovation earning at your fingertip. Thank you all of us.